तुमचे स्वागत करता. व्हेरी शॉर्ट नोटीसाचेर तुमी पावले म्हणून तुमकां देव बरें करूं. बेसिकली आयज आमी ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जी घेता ती एंटायर मुर्मुगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी गोवा TMCच्या तर्फे. आमच्या बरोबर आसात सिनियर मोस्ट TMCचे मेंबर्स गांधी हेनरिक्स रायटान. नेक्स्ट रायट इज महेश भंडारी from Dabolin constituency, and then next right is Diksha Talwardekar. So basically this जी आसा पळय प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स, इट्स अ सक्सेसफूल जे आमचे गृहलक्ष्मी जी स्कीम लॉन्च जाली लास्ट मंथ, and the success which we got in the door to door campaigning. जशें आमी डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनिंग डेली करपाक लागले तशें आमकां तेजें इम्पॉर्टन्स कळपाक लागलें. आनी एक्स्ट्रीम नेक्स्ट लेवलार आमी आतां वचपाक सोदता. दॅट इज वॉट इन हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी, इन दी टावन, इन द विलेज, हिंगा पंचायत आसा, हिंगा म्युनिसिपालिटी आसा, ह्या प्रत्येक जाग्यांचेर आमी न्हू आतां स्टॉल्स घालतले जेचेर आमी गृहलक्ष्मी रजिस्टर करपाक स्टार्ट करतले. आनी खंयच्याय पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे हे सक्सेस हे कशें कळटा, जेन्ना सक्सेस कळटा जेन्ना लोक तुका रेकमेंड करता, लोक तुमकां सांगता आनी लोक तुमकां इनिशिएट करता. सो आमकां आयज जेन्ना आमी डोर टू डोर करताले तेन्ना लोकांनी सांगपाक लागले की तुमकां जाय तेन्ना आमी थंय आसना अवेलेबल, आमचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स आसना, हे आसना. सो दे हॅव आस्क फॉर अ स्पेसिफीक टायम. ह्या टायमाचेर तुमी आयज सपोज आता दर्या मुर्मुगांवची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जेटीचेर 5 नंबर वॉर्ड आसा, तुम्ही 5 नंबराचेर एक दीस दिया, 4 नंबराचेर एक दीस दिया. द लेडीज विल कम टुगेदर एंड विल रजिस्टर्ड. सो ही जी आता आमी ऑलमोस्ट स्टार्ट करता जे एक्चुअली सुरवात तिची आयजसून जावपाची आसा. आनी आता तुमकां त्या पॉलिसी बद्दल बेसिकली ह्या गृहलक्ष्मी स्किमी बद्दल संजय दीक्ष विल टेल यू मोर.
Good morning. Welcome all the press from Vasco. This Griya Lakshmi card is the flagship of TMC. I have had the privilege to move almost in 10 different constituencies of Goa during this last few days, last 14 days to be precise. I've been to Mandre, Ponda, Aldona, Mapsa, Margaon, Kunkoli, Purtori, Murmugaon, Daboli and Vasco. And what I have seen is people are anxious to be registered. Why are they anxious? Because they know that this scheme of 5,000 rupees is going to reduce their burden. It is like something to control inflation. It is for every single household, irrespective to your party affiliation. It is a scheme to help control the inflation in everything, starting from food grains to gas cylinders to petrol and to everything. And this is going to be a big help. This scheme has been derived after studying the total income position of Goa. The average income, as study made, shows 9,500 rupees. And when a person gets 5,000 rupees in that household, you can see the relief it will get. Now the question comes, how much have we covered? As of today, we are almost reaching target of 2 lakhs. To be precise, 1.75 is the registration achieved till now, and soon we will be reaching 2 lakhs. What is the target? The target is 3.5 lakhs as we see, unless we get some more registration, but this is the target. For this 3.5 lakhs, the budget expenditure is going to be just 6, 7 or 8% of the total budget of Goa. And this 8% will not make any difference in our overall budget of the state of Goa. Keeping this in mind, the scheme is being attracted at every corner. People are anxious to register themselves. Yesterday, our secretary, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, clarified one point, very nice point. The party would implement this flagship scheme within 2 months to come into power. So within 2 months, every single household that is going to be registered is going to receive 5,000 rupees per month. This is making the people more anxious to come forward and get registered in this beautiful flagship of TMC. Thank you.
गृहलक्ष्मी स्कीम लॉन्च केल्या. 15 दीस जाले ही स्कीम लॉन्च जावन. ही स्कीम बायलां खातीर म्हयन्याक 5,000 दितली, अशें वर्साचे 60,000. हे स्किमीक बायलांक जे घरान कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा ताका कोणा कडेन मागोवंक वचूंक नाका. प्रत्येक म्हयन्याक हे 5,000 बायलांक मेळटले. जेन्ना आमचो TMC सरकार फॉर्म जातलो पळय तेन्ना अशी बायलां आज आमी 1.5 lakhs प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशन केलां. मुर्मुगांवान आमकां खुबसो प्रसिद्ध जाला आनी मुर्मुगांवान आमी 1,000 प्लस केले रजिस्ट्रेशन. बायलां म्हणटा कितें आमकां हे 5,000 मेळटले, ते 5,000 खुबशे कितें करूंक मेळटले. अशें कितें घोव येतलो आनी घोवा कडेन मागतली आमी केन्ना गरज पडटा तेन्ना. तशें ना, कित्याक तेंच्या एकावंटार प्रत्येक म्हयन्यार पयशे येयले जाल्यार ती आपल्याक जाय ते करूं शकता, आपल्या भुरग्यांक कितें जाय जाल्यार करूं शकता. ही स्कीम जेन्ना आमचो TMC सरकार फॉर्म जालो की प्रत्येक म्हयन्याक 5,000 बायलांक मेळोंक स्टार्ट जातले. एक अशें ना, हे कार्ड आसा, हे कार्ड आमी रजिस्टर करता बायलांच्या घरा घरा वचून. प्लस आमी तेंचो मोबायल नंबर घेता, रजिस्टर करता, एक पीन येता, ती पीन आमी त्या बायलांक दिता, कार्ड दिता. हे कार्ड तेंच्यांनी सांबाळून दवरपाचें. TMC सरकार फॉर्म जालो की 2 म्हयन्या भितर तांकां तेंच्या एकावंटार पयशे येतले. प्लस एकावंटारूय ना, हे डायरेक्ट तेंच्यांनी क्रेडीट करूं शकता. पीन घालपाची, कार्ड घालपाचें आनी 5,000 विथड्रॉ करपाचें. ही स्कीम आमच्या बायलांक खूब फायदेशीर आहा. हांव मागता आमच्या बायलांक सगळ्या ऑल गोवाच्या बायलांक तुमी ह्या स्किमीचो लाभ घेवचो आनी रजिस्ट्रेशन करून घेवपाचें. रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाक आमचे सगळे भुरगे आसा, वॉलंटियर आहा, ते दारांनी वचून रजिस्ट्रेशन करता. आमी स्टॉल घालतले, ते स्टॉलानूय ते बायलांक येवन रजिस्ट्रेशन करूं येता. आमचो एक हें आसा, वेबसायट आहा गृहलक्ष्मीची. ती वेबसायटीचेरूय वचून बायलांनी ती स्कीम रजिस्टर करून तेजो लाभ घेवं येता. ते कार्ड तेन्ना रजिस्टर केल्या उपरांत तांकां पीन मेळटली आनी तेच्या उपरांत तेंचे कार्ड तेंच्या घरा पर्यंत तांकां मेळटले बायलांक. ही बरी स्कीम आहा. हांव बायलां कडेन मागता की तेंच्यांनी जाता तितले बेगीन सगळ्यांनी रजिस्टर करून घेवचें आनी तेजो पुरेपूर लाभ घेवचो.
डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनिंग जेन्ना आमी जस्ट 15 दीस पयलीं चालू केल्लें. सो बींग अ दाबोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी लिडर, जेन्ना हांव डोर टू डोर करताले तेन्ना बरोसो रिस्पॉन्स येवपाक लागलो. पॉझिटिव्ह येयलो, नॅगेटिव्ह येयलो आमकां. पॉझिटिव्ह असो आसा की वी हॅव कवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट 5,000 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशन इन दाबोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी. आनी आमी वेरी लिमिटेड टायम करताले, मॉर्निंग 11 till 1 o'clock आनी इवनिंग मे बी 4 to 5 o'clock. or maybe extend करून 5:30 or 6 करताले. सो जेन्ना आमकां रिस्पॉन्स येवपाक लागलो की नॅगेटिव्ह रिस्पॉन्स येवपाक की आमी तो फूल फेस्ट कित्याक दिना, आमी ग्रावंडाचेर आसता बट लोकांक रजिस्ट्रेशन करूंक मेळना. सो लिमिटेड टायम आसतना सुद्दां आमी 5,000 रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑलरेडी केलां. सो हे चिंतून आमची फूल कमिटी बसली आनी आमी म्हटलें की वाय डोंट वी एक्सपांड दीस, म्हणजे लोकांच्या दारांनी आमी फकत लिमिटेड टायमा खातीर पावता. सो लेट्स डू इट अ मेगा थिंग. सो दॅट्स वाय एज अ दाबोलीम इनिशिएटीव आमी कितें करता की वील बी हॅविंग अ स्पेशल लॉन्च दॅट इज फ्रॉम 30th till 5th of January. हितून कितें करतले आमी वॉर्ड वायज वॉर्ड आमी हॉटस्पॉट दवरतले. प्लस आमचे जे वॉलंटियर्स आहा ते घराघरांनी वयतले जे आमी रेग्युलर करता. सो आमी टायमिंग्स एक्सटेंड करता फ्रॉम मे बी 10 o'clock till 1 o'clock and from 1 o'clock till 2 o'clock एक वराचो लंच ब्रेक दवरतले from 2 o'clock till 7:30. So this is a time what is the people have requested us to give it because तांकां आमचे वॉलंटियर मेळनासलेले आनी कितें जाता की ओन्ली नॉट ओन्ली द म्हणजे लिंक जाता तेंचें रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाक थोड्यांक खूब त्रास पडटाले. सो तशेंच जेन्ना आमी घरा कडेन गेले तेन्ना आमकां एक बरीशी गजाल कळ्ळी की जी आमच्यो बायलां आसलेली, जी आमची आजी आसलेली तेंच्यांनी आमकां याद करून दिलें की डिमॉनिटायझेशन जावच्या पयलीं ज्या प्रमाणे ती आपल्या घरांनी डब्यांनी खंयच्या खंयच्या कबडांनी पयशे दवरताले. सो तांकां ही स्कीम कशें दिसलें की दीस इज द पावर गिवन टू दॅम. म्हणल्यार आतां बायलांक कशें जालें की तांकां घोवा कडेन मागचें पडटा की बाबा थोडे पयशे दी मऱ्या, म्हाका हे सामान घेवंक जाय. ज्या करून घोव आहा तो दिता, अगर तो विसरलो जाल्यार ही बायलां तांकां डिपेंड रावतालीं. सो वेन दीस स्कीम आमी तांकां एक्सप्लेन करताले तेन्ना म्हटलें ना ना दीस स्कीम इज व्हेरी गूड. हे आमकां कळ्ळें की वी हॅव अ पावर इन आवर हँड, वी कॅन स्पेंड मनी आमकां जाय प्रमाणे वेदर वी कॅन इट कॅन हेल्प आवर चिल्ड्रन्स ऑल्सो. तेंचे निड्स जे आसता ते आमी फुलफील करूं शकता आनी वी वील नॉट डिपेंड ऑन आवर हजबंड ऑर जे आमकां पयशे दिता तेंचे डिपेंड रावचे न्हू. सो दीस इज द हेल्पिंग हँड वॉट इज गिवन टू द बाय द TMC टू द वुमन पॉवर ओके तशेंच आमी दाबोलीम एज कन्सर्न की वी आर हॅविंग अ फूड स्पॉट्स आमी दवरल्या 30th निवाडेम आनी दाबोलीम जंक्शनाचेर आसतले सेम वे 31st संतोष माता टेम्पल जो निवाडेम आहा थंयसर आसतले अपार्ट फ्रॉम रजना मंदिर थंयसर आमी फूड हॉटस्पॉट केलेले आहा सेम वे न्यू इयराक आमी बसचेना लोकां भशेन पार्टी करीत सो वी आर हियर टू सर्व द पीपल आमी लोकांच्या दारान आसतले आनी गृहलक्ष्मीचे बेनिफिट्स आमी लोकां खातीर जितले जाता तितले बेगीन पावोवपाक ट्राय करतले आनी वी वील सी दॅट की वी हॅव एटलीस्ट मॅक्सिमम रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर दाबोलीम एंड एंटायर मुर्मुगांव तालुका एज वेल कित्याक आमी सगळे हॉटस्पॉट्स आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आहा सो दिस इज एन इनिशिएटीव टेकन बाय दाबोलीम अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट वी आर सिमिलरली स्टार्टिंग विथ मुर्मुगांव ऑल्सो वास्को ऑल्सो एंड कोर्तालीम ऑल्सो सो एंटायर मुर्मुगांव बेल्ट वी आर ट्रायंग टू गेट दीस अ सक्सेस स्टोरी जशें जशें आमचो सक्सेस मेळत रावतले लोक आमकां आमचे विश्वास दवरतले आमचेर मोग दवरतलो सेम वे वी आर ट्रायंग टू एक्सपांड दीस इन एंटायर गोवा ऑल्सो सो दिस इज आवर अ स्मॉल इनिशिएटीव टेकन बाय मुर्मुगांव तालुका अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट एज अ दाबोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी एज सच थँक्यू
We'll take some questions now from your.
Any candidate?
My question to you is that you have said that the scheme that you are launching now will be enforced after coming into power, 2 months after coming into power. What happens if you all don't get absolute majority or the PLC government does not come in power? What happens to the exercise if the PLC does not come into power?
First, I will take your point. If TMC doesn't come to power, here first I will tell you, I think nobody is coming with his absolute majority in Goa. This is the general impression. Everybody knows that nobody is coming. Now, if TMC does not come, TMC will be in the government and TMC will be the one that will see that this scheme is enforced, because this is a welfare scheme for every single family, irrespective even of what party you belong to. Again, here there is no going to meet the MLAs, no going to make run around with this paper and that paper. Everything is so systematically, so scientifically done that money will be transferred immediately to your account. Now, how I say 2 months? My General Secretary, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, has clarified this point, and I'm giving these copies to you all to confirm that TMC is going to implement this within 2 months when it comes to power. Keep in mind that the new government that comes is soon going to have its own budget. It is so well, good luck for Goa that we are not having election in the middle of the year. We are having right at the right time, and this scheme will be implemented and TMC will ensure.
No, Gandhi sir, you not understood my question. What
Yeah.
I'm saying is this applicable only if a government comes into absolute power, or even if your MLAs are elected? Because in case there is a hung government, what happens then?
See, it's like this. You've got to be in power, okay? You expect that we don't have the full majority. I'm just saying the first. Though we feel we are having going to get the full, expect we don't have. Anybody who comes in government will require partners.
Correct.
And if we have to be a partner, this will be our mandatory scheme for the welfare of every single family in Goa.
So it is applicable even if you are a partner in the government, what you're saying?
Yes, yes.
Not only restricted to absolute
No,
majority.
this is our promise number 1, the flagship of TMC.
Henrik Pap government form जावपाचें ना जावपाचें separate जाता. But जेन्ना आतां present government is suffering financial crisis, and when they are not giving proper Satyagraha Aadhar, Ladli Lakshmi to women, so तुम्ही how will हे पयशे कशे हाडटले आनी कशे generate करतले तुमी?
I got your point. If you see today, the government owns statistics, the figures that they are supposed to distribute 1,500 rupees under that scheme. They have not provided the budget itself for that number of families in Goa. And what is happening? They are not paying somebody for 2 months, they are not paying somebody for 3 months, somebody for 1 month. They are playing ding dong bell. And then when a person gets suddenly after 2 months, he is not bothered that he has not got last 2 months. He feels okay, now everything will go well. This is not going to happen with TMC. With TMC, everybody is going to get, and it will be within the budget. And how the budget? Today, if you go to see, the budget is mishandled by the present government. You see any road that is done, see the quality of road. And why that quality is bad? Because there is under the table sharing of the commission, which is not going to be under the TMC. Under TMC, everything is going to be transparent and clear. So the budget provision will take care of everything.
Do you want to say that corruption is going on in the present government?
I don't have to say, the governor himself has said, last governor Satyapal Singh has clearly charged, and where it is corruption, in food grains to the families. I'm a member of the General Secretary of the All Goa Fair Price Shop Association. I myself have complained to the government saying that there is corruption even in the free distribution of rice. And I requested immediate transfer of my inspector and the director, and the government did that, but did it after 1 month. And yet we are waiting for the result of investigation. What has happened to the food grain scam?
Hendrik Babu, as coming to Mormugaon Taluka, as you are leading this Taluka, so what is the situation in Mormugaon Taluka? What response you are getting in Mormugaon Taluka?
On GLC?
No,
Overall.
TMCs.
You see, I have had a rare opportunity to move in Mormugaon, to move in Dabolim, to move in Vasco. Both my colleagues here, we have worked together to see the pulse of the people. Initially, it was lukewarm. But today, people themselves are saying, we are looking forward for a change. We are looking forward for TMC. This, I don't know how to tell you, but here we have some IPAC members. They will tell you, Mr. Ajay is one of the senior person who has moved a lot. And Ajay himself feels, yes, we are marching forward, we are forming the government.
What are the issues are in Mormugaon Taluka you think which can be rectified?
If you ask me about Vasco, I will tell you in last 10 years, we have had zero development. My MLA, Mr. Kalu Salmeda, is a good man. He has helped individuals. He has helped people get some jobs, no doubt. But he failed. The government, BJP government himself made him fail for reasons they know the best, not to succeed. And today, in every field, you see the road, you see the fish market, you see the vegetable market, you see our old market, real market, which is of the Portuguese time, is still like that. Small shops struggling during rainy season. When you go inside, you yourself will feel how you manage to dodge the water. So Vasco and Mormugaon overall needs today TMC to see real development. This is my feeling, and my colleagues also will support this feeling.
Gandhi Babu, since you are a very senior analyst yourself in Mormugaon politics, do you think you need more like-minded parties to align with the TMC in the future?
See, our Mamta ji has been so big-hearted, so kind. Even Mr. Davlika, who is our associate, our, what do you call that? Our partner in the forming of the government, himself has said, telling us, come on the platform, let's fight together. But they think otherwise. So as far as Mamta ji is concerned, she has kept it open for everybody. Even we here sitting on this table are ready if we have a better candidate come forward. I myself recommended to my IPAC people, please approach Mr. Kalbas. He's a nice candidate, he's better than me. Bring him to Vasco. They approached him. He phoned me up and he said, Gandhi, I want to be out. I said, that's your decision. So that's how we are working together in unity for good of Goa.
Jayesh Babu, last time Mormugaon you are with the Sankalp Amulkar. This time you suddenly came out of the
Indeed, Sankalp and BJP are both like 10 years they are fighting, and there is actually no results are coming out. And there is so many plowbacks are there. Sankalp is very good friend of mine, but the political, if you check it, there is ground work is very less. Rather than individual, I am as a social activist. I was never affiliated to any political party till date, except this TMC now I have joined. This is my first political party. But I've understood one thing is, if you want to win an election, you have to be ground for 4 years, not only during 6 months or 7 months. Money cannot win the election. It is your public support, and the issues of the public has to be, have to be rectified and has to be solved. Then there are so many issues. Till we are like, actually I can say the last call country मान भोंवतालो, or door to door करतालो. आमकां जेणे म्हटलें की we are like आदिवासी kind of thing. आमकां खबर ना आमचो जागो एमपीडीन पडटा काय वास्को म्युन्सिपालिटीन पडटा. एमपीडी तांकां लेटरां धाडटा तुमचें घर इल्लीगल म्हणून, आनी वास्कोची म्युन्सिपालिटी तांकां हाऊस टॅक्साची लेटरां धाडटा. सो these are the things, small issues. मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स 2-4 करोड मोडून बांदला, नॉट इन युटिलायझेशन. स्विमींग पूल बांदला अशा जाग्याचेर थिंगा लोकांक पाणी पिवपाक मेळना. सुलभाचें पाणी ते हितून वयता. सो दीज आर स्मॉल इश्यूज. आय एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर 6 lane रोड. वी डोंट हॅव 8-wheeler vehicles. वी डोंट हॅव caravans to go on 8-wheeler. What we require is a basic 2-wheeler loan. अशें अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय मुर्मुगांवच्या लोकांनी आनी एंटायर गोवाच्या. जसो ते इलेक्शन येता तसो डांबराचो वास येता पळय तशें जाला. सो इलेक्शनाचे 4 महिने पयलींच लोक रोड कित्याक सुळसुळीत गुळगुळीत करतात. 4.5 नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन जाता किंवा बाबा पहिल्याच 6 म्हयन्यान किंवा पहिल्याच 1 वर्सान कित्याक ते रोड जायना. सो नेक्स्ट 4 years पीपल शूड बी हॅपी. आनी लोकांक आमच्या न्ही पब्लिकांक इट इज ओवरऑल एक हें जालेलें आसा. सो दॅट हॅज टू बी कम आउट ऑफ इट. सो कितें आसा, स्मॉल सॅटिस्फॅक्शन वचनाका. वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर लॉंगर टर्म हॅज टू बी चेक.
डेव्हलपमेंट जावं
डेफिनेटली 110% आय कॅन टेल. पर्सनल डेव्हलपमेंट येस. पर्सनल एका मनशाचें जर डेव्हलपमेंट जाला तर ते इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेवलाचेर जाला. दॅट कॅनॉट बी सोसायटी डेव्हलपमेंट. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग 24/7 वॉटर. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग अ प्रॉपर गुड रोड्स. So that is development. I cannot say that I am having a 4-wheeler, 6-wheeler van. I am developed state.
दाबोली एज अ कितें सांगू शकता वेदर तेंचो डेव्हलपमेंट जावं कितें.
सी दाबोलीन डेव्हलपमेंट आय डोंट सी एट ऑल. ते दाखयतात की दे हॅव डेव्हलप लॉट ऑफ थिंग. बट जेन्ना एज अ लोकल जेन्ना रावता पळय, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जेन्ना आमचो एमएलए म्हणटा पळय, ही शूड बी अवेलेबल 24 hours फॉर द पीपल. सो दॅट वॉज नॉट डन. लास्ट 10 years पळयता की ही हांगासर विजिटर येता. ही कम्स 1 or 2 in a week आनी लोकांक एड्रेस कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा ते आयकता एंड दॅट इज बीन नॉट डन. ओके. सो दॅट इज अ फीडबॅक वॉट आमी जेन्ना डोर टू डोर भोंवता तेन्ना लोकांक हे लोकांनी सांगलां की आमी आमच्या आमदाराक केन्ना मेळ्ळा आमकां याद ना. फोटोज दिश्टी पडटा बट आउट ऑफ दॅट नथींग एल्स. ओके. तेजे मनशां आसा जे फिल्डाचेर येता, दादागिरी करता आनी कितें चलता ते सगळें आसा. बट लिवींग असायड तांकां जो मनीस जाय पळय तांकां उलोवपाक, कित्याक लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स आसा ते. गार्बेज जाल्यार पयलें अख्या दाबोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन सगळ्या मनशाक आसा जे प्रॉपर टायम टू टायम क्लीन जायना. तेज्या मागीर वॉटर लोक अक्षरशः रडटा. तांकां दोनांक सकाळी फुडें उदीक येता, तांचो फूल डे वेस्ट जाता. दे हॅव टू गो फॉर वर्क ऑल्सो. आमी उदीक भरतले काय आमी कामाक वयतले. सो दॅट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट इफ यू आस्क बोकमालो बीच पळय, नो डेव्हलपमेंट. थंयसर लोकां खातीर बेसीक फेसिलिटीज ना. बट पंचायत इज रन बाय युअर सो कॉल्ड एमएलएज ओनली. ओके. तेच्या मागीर आमचे बेसीक ते म्हणटा की डेव्हलपमेंट केलं इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाडेम लेक आनी जॉगर्स पार्क. जॉगर्स पार्क आय स्टे इन न्यू वाडेम. म्हाका जॉगर्स पार्काची गरज कितें आसा? अगर तूं बेसीक एम्युनिटीज दी, खावपाक जेवण पिवपाक उदीक, रावपाक आमचें घर सारकें आसल्यार पुरो. सो दीस इज द वॉट दॅन दॅट दाबोली इज निडेड. कित्याक आमचे मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसीस घर लिगलायझेशन ना. नोटिसीस हावसिंग बोर्ड नोटिसीस काडटा. तुमी जर त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीर आमी रावता बट प्रॉपर टायटल आमकां आमच्या घराक जाय तो दिलेलो ना. दीस इज बीन अ कितें म्हणटा ते एजंडा फॉर द लास्ट सो मेनी इयर्स फॉर द इलेक्शन की आमी तुमचें घर लिगलायझेशन करतले, ना जाल्यार आमी तेच्या अगेन्स्ट एक्शन घेतले. सो दीस थिंग्स हॅपनिंग. जॉगर्स पार्क इज बेनिफिटेड फॉर द बिल्डर लॉबीज आय से बिकॉज दॅट पर्टिक्युलर एरिया डेव्हलप करपा खातीर कितें ना कितें जाय न्हू. सो दॅट की बिल्डिंग्स येतले अक्रॉस चिकालीम दाबोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन, जाल्यार लोक येवन थंय बाय करतले. आनी दॅट पर्टिक्युलर वेटेज इज गिवन टू द जॉगर्स पार्क. आतां कितें न्यू वर्जन हाडटा. सो इट्स गूड. आय एम नॉट सेईंग की करनाका, बट जे बेसिक्स जे लोकांक दिवंक जाय पळय, स्पेशली निवाडेम एरिया, दाबोलीम एरिया, ते पयलीं दी. ते कांय ना. सेकंड आमकां कमींग टू द हॉस्पिटल. इतलें व्हडलें हॉस्पिटल बांदलां. पयलीं बांदच्या पयलीं सुद्दां हांवें आसतालो की कित्याक तुमचो हॉस्पिटल कंप्लीट जायना. कंप्लीट जालो. हार्डली कितें 150 कितें बॅड्स आम सांगता. ते कितले एक्टीव आसा. आय हॅव एवरीथींग प्रूफ. कांयच एक्टीव ना. डॉक्टर्स ते अवेलेबल ना म्हणटा. नाव लॉट ऑफ थिंग म्हणटा CSR करता, हे करता गूड. करूंक जाय बट नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इलेक्शन ते 6 म्हयने आसता पळय 7 म्हयने आसता तेन्ना करूंक जायना इफ यू रियल पर्सन जाल्यार तुवें प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन यू हॅव बीन नोन फॉर अ प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन यू अशें म्हणटा बट युअर प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन इज झिरो एज हांव उलयतां कित्याक अगर कोणी मनीस त्या सिटार बसता आनी ही थिंक्स ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्यार ताचे नेक्स्ट 10 इयराचे प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन रेडी आसूंक जाय सो ताका खंयच्या वाड्यार कितें करूंक जाय ही शूड नो दॅट थिंग वीच इज we as a TMC have that plan of action for next 10 years. Agar we are being in a power, you will see the real development. एकूय मनीस असो आसतना की पॉइंट करतलो की बा nothing development is happened. So I see no development in Dabolim constituency because people they self is saying that development is on.
And the last question, what about as you are the senior in among these, and what about the candidatures for Murmur Taluka?
What about
the list of candidates?
List of candidates
Yeah.
in Murmur Taluka.
Yeah. Now, as far as candidates, I will tell you one thing. TMC has got a very nice process in deciding the candidature. They know who is aspiring. Mr. So-and-so aspiring, Mr. So-and-so aspiring, Madam So-and-so is aspiring. They know it. And they study all the candidates. They study their background. They study their likeness with the people. They study capacity to be a legislator. Everything is studied and then it is decided. That's how it is.
Till now, nobody has.
It is still under study. All the 40 constituencies are under study, is to the best of my information. Nobody has confirmed. It may be Reginald, it may be Churchill. Even they are under study. This is how the TMC works.
Just 2 months are there for the election.
Yes. Yeah.
When is likely to be announced, the list of candidates?
See, this is at higher level, but as far as information I have, is within next to 10 to 15 days, it will be clear.
Or more to be inducted in next coming days.
See, more likely people are coming. Okay.
There are a lot of people yet wanting to come.
Today also there is one induction happening in Panjim. It could be a BJP's ex-candidate, ex-councillor, and he is joining TMC maybe in these 2-3 days. There are so many in Vasco also.
Several panches, sarpanches, ex-sarpanches are in touch. They know, but they want to know more, and our people are meeting them and giving them more and more clarification. We are not in hurry, and we tell them also you don't be in hurry. Don't just come in like somebody came in and went after a few days. It should not happen like that. That's why TMC is very careful, moving in the right direction.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, and please don't go without